Hello and welcome to Trading Hour on CNBC TV18. I'm Ekta Batra and with me is Prashant Nair, and we haven't really started off Monday on a positive note. In fact, the Nifty is currently down around 68 odd points. We have the mid-cap index, which is at the low point of the day, so 1.5% gone for the mid-cap index. We have an extremely dismal advanced decline ratio on our hands, so that stands at around 1:2 on the National Stock Exchange. 500 stocks advancing to around 1,400 stocks which are declining. So you can see that gap at this point in time. In terms of stocks, lots to discuss. So we have a couple of result reactions. M&M with that tractor guidance cut. So that stock is in focus. Eicher Motors, which is in fact coming out with its numbers today. So that stock is a bit weak ahead of the numbers. And look at the kind of, or rather picked up now, but look at the kind of declines that we're seeing for Dr. Reddy's. That stock is down around 5.6%. We have even Indiabulls Housing Finance, which is down around 5 odd percent and lost around 30% on a year-to-date basis already. So a lot to discuss over the next 1 hour.
Oh, it's going to be about stocks, Ekta. Good morning. Absolutely. And, you know, the market breadth is once again getting squeezed and crushed. And how? I mean, on my screen, I've got, 1,300 stocks which are lower and 400 stocks higher. So this is, I mean, a story about stocks and what's happening to them in the broader market. So the mid-cap and small-cap indices are underperforming by a big margin. 1.6% cut in the small-cap index, 1.6% cut in the mid-cap index, and a little over 0.5% cut in the Nifty. So there is a lot more pressure than what is visible with this 70-point cut that you're seeing on the Nifty. And that's going to be the focus over the next 60 minutes. But, you know, we'll dive straight into it. Let's get started with Sudarshan Sukhani, as always, with a quick check on the market. Sudarshan, morning. Your sense on the direction, which is, I guess, pretty clear, and what would you do with trades?
Yeah, good morning. Well, we have been bearish on for the month of February. I said keep a core short position and then trade around it. That view continues to remain. The markets are likely to fall lower from current levels, so the trade is to have a positional view, and that is to expect the markets to be lower. So take a bearish position as a positional view, not intraday. Intraday trades are mainly on the mid-cap stocks, and unfortunately most mid-cap stocks are falling apart. They are breaking support levels and suggesting lower levels are coming. TVS Motors is a short sell, and that stock has had a checkered career, big rally, and then recently a support breakdown, continuous declines in that stock, looking at lower levels. Shriram Transfer Finance is another short sell. This is already in a bear market. We saw a rally which was essentially a trap. And now again the bears are in full control. That's another stock that should look at lower levels just to balance it out and to keep this a little cheerful. IT stocks have some mild buzz on the upside. So Mindtree is an intraday buying opportunity, but mainly look to be on the short side or avoid buying.
Okay, Sudarshan, thanks very much. So those are some trading ideas right on the top of the show.